Good morning. My name is Mger Antonian. I did apply for Game Innovation Fellow position. I did watch the video, and I'm glad that I was invited to participate for the written interview and as well for oral interview. It was a very interesting game that I was watching. It took me a while to realize what it was all about. I had to watch the video a couple times. And I was just wondering if that's a part of the game at all. Then I put some tests and I figured out that it's like any other slot games, it's just done this a different way. Well, I'm about to send my workout to you. I got 6 part of the questions, including the video. Well, here comes the first part of the page, questions. Part 2 is the longest one that you will see, because I'm trying to just make that game clear to me and to you. It's page 1. For that game, I try to figure out the payout of the game, and as well as the odds of the game, what are the odds of the game, and then the expected value of the game. Okay, and the next page that I have is diagnosis. I believe I'm on the right page, page 3, diagnosis. I keep continuing, expected value. The credit needed to play for the game is 10 credit, as I understand. So my suggestion to a game designer would be, because based on my calculation, what I'm getting is about half a credit to 1 credit on the long run for the player out of the 10 credit. That's less likely to have the player engaged other than leave the game and go to the other game. Okay, what concerns to the design of the game is a line game is going to be not quite interested if it doesn't have any symbols. What I have in my notes that the game should include some symbols. That's what attracts the players to walk to the game and stay with the game until they find out that they're about to lose it, what they have in their pocket. How would I rate myself? I would rate myself about, let's say on a scale of 1 to 5, I would rate about a 4. Why is that so? Well, because I'm just commenting on the payout of the game. Even if it does have a nice symbols and it does very little payout, the player is not going to stay on that game. We both know that. They're going to go and look for something else. On the other hand, if the game does pay out well, but it's just a symbol without symbols, that's less likely to have the players to play on a long run either. So it depends on the player. Maybe yes, maybe no. But any game should have a nice design, just for entertainment and for curiosity and for interest. That's my work. Now, a few things about me is that it should be in my resume. I have tried the game positions many times. I was rejected. In some cases, it didn't look at my resume. One of the games that actually I have done some work is Eclipse Gaming. It was 2 years from now on. 2 years ago from now on. So they are interesting, challenging the word problems. Well, I believe I did 2 out of the 3. But the last one, the real problem, it was quite interesting. As I have tried a Python distribution, and like they're giving the feedback on it, so I put some nice tests, but that's not what they were looking for. Since then I was thinking maybe it's actually binomial attribution, and as and tools can be equal for outcome. And then I got some new ideas, but there's no way I can share it with you right now in this video. It has nothing to do with this problem here. And that's all I want to say. So, in that summary, I have my bachelor degree. I'm working in a field of education and looking for something new to do. Well, probability statistics was one of my favorite at the time. I thought I would find a use for it for them. And you're offering one such chance to try my knowledge again. Really appreciate it. Right after this video, I will submit my paper documents to you. Today is April 25th, and you're asking to be turned in before April 27th. And so I'm glad I'm done on time as part of my responsibility. And just hoping to hear the best from you. That's all I can say. Thank you. This will summarize my brief video interview. I hope I will make the team happy with my work. And I hope to be one of the candidates out of the 6 candidates that you're trying to invite for the next step. Thank you again. Today is April 25th. Mger Antonian, a fellow candidate. That's all I want to let you know. Thank you.